This Century 21 Jean Armstrong Team Realty property video is presented by Kimberly Lux. Move-in ready 3-bedroom, 2-bath concrete block home featuring a desirable split-bedroom floor plan. Recent updates include beautiful luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout, fresh interior paint, and a new roof, 2023. Enjoy the spacious 20x13 screened porch overlooking the beautifully landscaped corner lot, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. This well-maintained home offers comfort, style, and curb appeal in one attractive package. For more information, review the details below or contact Kimberly Lux at 386-216-9441.